back to my channel. Today's video, mag-unbox ako ng package. From Lazada, I ordered something for my home. Yes. Nakita ko to, from 79 Singapore dollars. Nag-promo siya ng until $30. So, it's almost 50%. Yeah. So, I have this. Ta-da! Automatic USB rechargeable smart robot vacuum. Actually, may vacuum ako. Maganda naman. Kaya lang kasi wire siya. So, kailangan mong hilain at medyo mabigat. Kaya, i-try natin tong robot to make my life easier. O, diba? Ayan. Ganda siya. So, ayan siya. Maliit lang siguro. Kasi medyo magaan din. Ayan pala siya. Ayan. Ang Lazada is a Jalanda board. I don't know. What's this? Oh, it's not bad. The size. So, there you go. Ayan, not bad siya. Mukha naman siyang maganda. Tapos, meron siyang manual instruction. At meron din siyang USB charger siya. USB charger. So, madali lang siyang i-charge. Ang sabi dito, actually binasa ko to bago ko orderin. Kailangan full charge siya. Kapag green light na, full charge na yun. So, kapag nag-red na siya, ayun, need na i-charge. Meron din naman siyang warranty. It's a 1-year warranty, local warranty. So, it's a Singapore brand. Not bad for the price. Yeah. So, meron siya dito. Ito yung pinaka-walis niya. Dalawang maliliit na walis. Tapos, ito yung pang-cleaning siguro ito. Tapos, you can use this, put water. Tapos, meron siyang maliit na cloth for mopping. So, you're gonna stick here. Nakalagay lang siya dito. You can stick like that. Yeah, just like that. Stick na siya. And then, you can use normal battery there. Tanggalin ko na ito para gamit na yung battery. So, since may battery na siya, wow! It's working! Pwede siyang AA battery, I think. Yan, nakalock siya. Tinanggal ko lang yung battery. Tapos, ito yung run. Lalagay natin dito yung off muna natin. I-off ko muna siya. Ayun. Tapos ilalagay natin to dito. Ayan, not bad naman pala. So I need to press longer. Ayan. Ayan, so na-fix ko na siya. Ito yung bin niya, yung lalagyan ng dust kapag katapos yung mag-clean up. Makikita niyo siya dito. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. I like it. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung filter niya. So, ang gagawin nyo, lilinisin lang yan. Always, after use. So that's it. So cute. Let's check and try to use it. Pwede rin siyang, kung ayaw nyo gamitan ng battery or wala kayong battery, kung naubos na ang battery niya, you can charge it. See? Just USB charger. So, pag ginamit nyo tong charger na to, very, very handful and easy to use. Saan ba ito? So, I think you're gonna charge here. Ano to? Meron siyang ano dito. Siguro yung power on niya. It's here. So, ang charger niya, wait I need to find where is the charger instruction. So, there. Ito. Ito yung pot ng charger niya. Ayan. Diyan lang siya. Tapos, para lang siyang normal charge nyo lang siya. Ngayon, since blue pa siya, it means full charge pa siya. Ang sabi dito, it will turn red kapag need na i-charge. So, not bad. Off muna natin. Tapos, tanggalin muna natin ito. Maganda yung wire niya. Hindi siya basta-basta. So, ayan, let's try it. Tapos, ito, for water. Gusto mong spray lang dyan. I-spray mo lang siya para ma-clean up yung floor niya. Tapos, this one for cleaning is a small brush for cleaning. Actually, it's just a laptop brush. Well, not bad. Let's try it. Oh, it's not moving. How to move, ah? Wait. It's wrong. I think you need to touch the round under inside. Yeah. Supposed to move. Wait. So, ayan guys. This one need to take out para mag-turn siya. At ang blue light pala ay consider it's a automatic sterilizer. You see that? Blue light sterilization. So, it's really good. Then, let's try again. Oh my god, it's working! It can go under. Oh, look at that! The hair! Eat the hair!
Did you hear that? Very silent. Not that noisy. Very soft the voice. Wow, I love it. Talaga natatanggal. Actually, mas maganda siya kasi yung house ko napakaraming hair. Ayan, ang daming hair niya na nagpo-fall. Kasi nga mga babae kami dito. So not bad. So ngayon guys, ita-try natin siya sa carpet. Tingnan natin kung mag-work siya sa carpet.
So guys, ang gagawin natin, i-check lang natin kung marami ba siyang nakuhang dumi or mga hair. So here, got a lot of hair stuck in here. So from here, kailangan pumasok siya dito sa butas at para maipon dun sa loob. So i-check natin. Ito, how you open and check na. Ito yung pinaka dustbin niya or dust container niya. Ayan, easy see. So now we're gonna check inside. Actually 1 minute, not even 1 minute. So got a bit of dirty, yeah. Actually this one easy to clean. You can just brush it out using this, just like that. So that's it. Quite helpful, yeah, but not that strong. This is good for a try. And siyempre hindi mo naman kailangan iasa lahat dito ang paglilinis. Kailangan pa rin mag-vacuum ng malupit. Meron naman kami magandang vacuum na at least twice a week namin nagba-vacuum talaga kami. And then every day nagdadas ako, nagmamap ako. Ayan. So ito, maganda lang to pang hair, tanggal ng hair sa palibot or underneath the bed, sofa, on the tables. Ayan, makakatulong siya. Mura lang siya, $29 and it's not bad. Okay? So guys, I found out that I need to put water in order to have this one. Double click the switch humidification function. Ayun. So we need to open this and here got hole. Actually I put water already. This one need to open this and inject the water. Try natin guys ang ionizer. Kailangan daw 2 beses i-press para ayan. Did you see that? Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Meron siya ionizer. Did you see that? Wow, this is so cute. Ayan. So, nag-drizzle siya ng water and it's cleaning your air also. Okay lang. I'm happy for this.